are Tesla Model S with spacers safe to use. Installing Tesla Model S with spacers to space your wheels out a few millimeters is a way to enhance ride quality. Because your wheels are mounted further away from the hub assembly, it creates a wider track. A wider track generally improves grip, which enhances your car's handling characteristics.
This is especially beneficial for
Tesla Model S,
improving control on rough terrains and during high speed. And aftermarket wheels and off-road tires have different offset requirements. BONOSS forged aluminum with spacer help you achieve perfect clearance and alignment without compromising safety. These BONOSS with spacers are made from high-strength aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and 7075-T6. These spacers offer exceptional durability and lightweight performance. Ensure your wheel spacer precisely match your vehicle's bolt pattern for optimal performance. Not all wheel spacers are built the same. BONOSS has developed advanced active cooling wheel spacers that offer painted cooling grooves. The specially designed grooves allow air to flow through, helping to dissipate heat from the brakes. This improves braking performance and longevity, especially during off-road or high-speed driving. Good hub central wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub central rings. The hub central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub flank. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 strict SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance, upgrade with BONOSS wheel spacer is a smart way to improve both performance and aesthetics. With the right size selections and active cooling technology, you get enhanced stability, better heat dissipation, and a safer driving experience. Like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience with wheel spacers.